We want to compute the Laplace transform of ft. For this function, ft is a piecewise continuous function. So here we have two intervals from 0 to 2 pi and from 2 pi to infinity. So we can use the unit step function. The function uat or ut minus a. What it does is it sends to 0. We send everything to 0 if the term is less than a, and when the term is at least a, we have 1. So use this, we can write ft in just one formula. So here I have ft is cosine 40. 40 is bigger than or equal to 0. But then when t is the term is at least 2 pi, I want to turn it off. I want to delete this term. So when t is at least 2 pi, use unit step function t minus 2 pi. And then here we want to turn cosine 40 off, which is minus cosine 40, so that when t is bigger than at least this term and this term will cancel out. Here I can quickly check, so we can verify what we wrote right here. When t is less than 2 pi, the first term is still cosine 40. The second term is this one times 0, because the definition of the unit step function is 0 right here. When t is less than a, t less than 2 pi, this one is 0. That's why t is less than 2 pi is 40. When t is at least 2 pi, you can guess cosine 40 is still there, minus cosine 40 times 1, which is 0. So that's why we have the function ft. And now we have the one formula which we can use. And we will compute the Laplace transform of this one. Laplace transform of ft by linearities, I can do it as Laplace transform cosine 40 minus Laplace transform cosine 40 u t minus 2 pi. So now we use the table. Here I have the Laplace transform table. Cosine 40, so cosine kt will give us this one. That's the first term. The second term, Laplace transform of something times unit step function, we use this one. So that's the two formula we will use. For the first term, Laplace transform cosine 40 equal to 4s over s squared plus 4 squared, 16. For the second term, Laplace transform of u, we will write down as this formula, ut minus a, ut minus 2 pi, ft minus a, cosine 40. But we want minus 2 pi as they have that. I just let it be like this for now. Now we will write exactly as they want, t minus a, u t minus 2 pi, cosine. So be careful here with 4, and t we want to have t minus 2 pi, t minus 2 pi. And in this case, because we already minus 2 pi, so this is 40 minus 8 pi. plus s pi, we get cosine of 40. However, plus h pi, because the function cosine is periodic, so here h pi, this one is the same as cosine of these terms, so we don't need h pi there. The value of this one, cosine this angle and cosine this angle are the same. Now by the table we know that this is e to the minus as times f of s, e to the minus as minus 2 pi s, Laplace transform of small ft. So in this case, that small ft is cosine of 40. Laplace transform cosine of 40. E to the minus 2 pi s times s over s squared 4 squared. With that, we complete computing the Laplace transform of the original function. The first term is s over s squared plus 16. The second term is this one. You can just let it be, or you group that. S squared 16 inside 1 minus e minus 2 pi s.